Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is LC. This is the second part of getting volume weighted close price by financial year. In the first part, I have demonstrated how to calculate volume weighted close price if you have close prices of a stock for only one financial year. You can view the video by clicking the link in the video description. Here, I will demonstrate how to calculate volume weighted close price by financial year given 10 years of data. To make the situation slightly complicated, the example I used involved change of financial year. I will use Heineken Malaysia 2011 to 2020 data as example. Looking at this table, in 2015, Heineken changed its financial year end from June to December. You can download the workbook by clicking the link in the video description. In this workbook, I have preloaded 2011 to 2020 close prices. If you wish to learn how to import stock prices into Excel, please check out the link in the video description. Without further ado, highlight the whole data table. Click Format as Table, choose whichever layout you like. Click OK. Change the table name to close underscore price underscore 10Y. Similar to the first video, we will use SUMPRODUCT and SUM function in Excel, but this time the full formula is more complicated. Switch to weighted price 10Y worksheet. In this case, we must filter the price data by the dates in this table. Let's key in the formula. I will do it slowly here. Pay attention. Let's start with SUMPRODUCT. To cut short the time, let me do the copy paste here. This is to filter the start date, comma. This is to filter the end date. Comma. Close price and the volume. Close it and divide by sum if volume, comma, here is the date to filter the start date and end date. The last part is to filter the end date. Alright, don't forget to close the formula, press enter. Oh, there is a extra comma here. That's all. I encourage you to toy around this workbook. If you accidentally break the workbook, don't worry, you always can download this workbook again. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and share it out. If you didn't, a dislike. Subscribe for more, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.